You're about to get your hands on the latest iPhone, but what if I told you the biggest secrets are already out? Leaked specs and features are flooding the internet, and we're about to dive in. So, you're probably wondering, what's new? Well, let's start with the design. It looks like Apple's going for a whole new look, with a smaller notch and a bigger screen. You'll get more space to watch videos, browse the web, or play games. But that's not all. Of the new iPhone's also rumored to have a 120Hz refresh rate, making everything feel smoother and more responsive. Now, you might be thinking, what about the cameras? It seems like Apple's upgrading the ultra-wide lens, so you can capture more of what's around you. And with improved low-light photography, you'll get better shots at night or in dark spaces. But here's the thing, these leaks might not be entirely accurate, so let's take a closer look. The latest rumors suggest the new iPhone will have a powerful A16 chip, making it faster and more efficient. You'll be able to switch between apps, play graphics-intensive games, or edit videos without any hassle. It's also rumored to have more storage options, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the battery life? It seems like Apple's working on improving that too, with a bigger battery and more power-efficient hardware. You'll be able to use your iPhone for longer without needing to recharge. But there's a catch, the new iPhone might not have a charging port at all. That's right, you might have to rely on wireless charging or use a USB-C cable. It's a bold move, but it could be the future of smartphones. So, you're probably wondering, when can you get your hands on the new iPhone? Well, it's expected to launch later this year, with pre-orders starting soon after. You'll want to keep an eye on Apple's website for the latest updates. Now, let's talk about the prices. It looks like the new iPhone will start at around $700, with higher-end models costing over $1,000. It's a lot to spend, but if you're due for an upgrade, it might be worth it. As we wait for the official announcement, you can expect more leaks and rumors to surface. But one thing's for sure, the new iPhone is going to be a game changer. With its powerful hardware, improved cameras, and sleek design, it's going to be a must-have for tech fans. So, what do you think about the new iPhone? Are you excited or skeptical? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for daily tech videos.